Looking for more great math games? Look no further. Math Room is one of our award-winning games for ages 5 and up. Math Room features our buddies Tibber, Digger the dog, Berry Bear, and Pickles the pig. Players imagine themselves as innkeepers, trying to fill all their rooms before the other players. Players take turns rolling the die and matching the color shown to a number on their room key. Solving the equation on the key, and then cover the matching room window with a token to complete an equation. Quickly ring the bell before the other players if you want to flip your key over for a new equation. Be the first player to fill all the rooms to win the game. This is a great game for working on addition and subtraction with numbers 1 through 10, helping kids develop their speed math skills. Share with your customers to watch how their little ones move from counting on their fingers to just knowing the answers as they play the game over time. Oh, and one more thing. Worried about the noise that bell makes driving you crazy? The bell can be temporarily disabled just by placing a piece of tape on the underside. No more ding.